In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage knowledge base articles in Zendesk. To get started, open your Zendesk workspace and look to the top toolbar. Click the small drop-down arrow to reveal more options. From that menu, choose Knowledge. This takes you into the knowledge base area where you can draft, edit, and maintain help content for your customers and internal teams. Once you're in, begin a new piece by selecting Add. Then choose Article. A fresh editor will open. At the very top, edit the title. Keep it short, specific, and searchable. Aim for phrasing your audience would actually type, like how to reset your password or update billing details, rather than internal jargon. A clear title helps articles get discovered quickly. Now move into the main editor and type your content. Lead with a brief overview that explains the problem the article solves, then provide clear instructions or an explanation. Keep sentences straightforward, break up long paragraphs, and maintain a friendly, professional tone. Consistency goes a long way in reducing support volume and improving self-service success. If you need to emphasize key information or align with your brand, you can adjust the text color using the editor toolbar. Use color sparingly and keep contrast high for readability. You can also change the font size to create a logical hierarchy. Reserve larger sizes for headings, and keep body text consistent so readers can scan quickly. Visuals can make complex steps much easier to follow. Place your cursor where the image should appear, then click the image icon in the toolbar. In the dialog that opens, select Upload Media to add a file from your computer. After it finishes uploading, click Insert Media to place it into the article. Choose clear screenshots or diagrams and make sure they directly support the text nearby. Continue refining your article. Tidy up formatting, make sure headings and body text are consistent, and check that your images line up with the steps they illustrate. Read through once more to confirm the flow is logical and that someone new to the topic could complete the task without guessing. When you're satisfied, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Saving captures your work so you can return to it later to review, edit, or share with your team as part of your publishing process. That's it. You've accessed knowledge, created an article, formatted it clearly, added helpful visuals, and saved your work. Everything you need to build a reliable, easy-to-read knowledge base in Zendesk.